81 Z28. This is a factory 4-speed car. I built a 05 5.3. Has the 862 heads, running BTR Stage 3 cam setup in it. 52-pound injectors. Running the 5-Tech Ultimate LS ECU system. Edelbrock ProFlow intake, 90mm throttle body. Hooker headers. 3-inch exhaust. Black Widow mufflers. Back here in the ass, it's running a 390 gear, Bavick gear, set up my rear end for me. I did disc brakes conversion on the back, new shocks, new polyurethane bushings all the way around. Every brake line is new. Inside needs buttoned up. I'll have everything for it. Got new carpet. This thing's solid. Nice dash. Decent door panels. Got drop spindles on the front. Find my key. Run T56 6-speed. Got a bunch of extra parts. New paint job on it. Got just about everything for it. Down to bleed-in brakes, dry shaft cut down. Get the inside buttoned up.